Compassion is about warmth, trust.
Compassion is putting the patient first.
Compassion is showing others that they matter.
Compassion is
understanding.
Understanding of others and treating them the way you would want to be treated.
Understand what people are going through and sympathize with their situation.
Understanding and caring for where the other person is coming from.
understand the strength and the courage and the resilience it takes to be in a certain position.
Understanding that for each patient, healing is a complex journey and none of us can do it alone.
Understanding that everybody's going through different struggles and we don't need to know what they're going through, but just to be kind to them.
Compassion to me means caring for each child individually and really catering to their needs.
Compassion is
kindness,
being kind and considerate to families and other staff members.
Being kind to all the people you meet each day, because you never know what they're going through.
Compassion means contact with families and families' contact with the health professionals. And it's about guiding together.
and help them work with us to care for their child in a way that's meaningful for them but also helps the child.
Compassion means being vulnerable and resilient for the sake of someone else.
Compassion to me means caring
Enough to want to do something to help them.
They really care about who we are as people.
Compassion is caring for patients and families.
Compassion is
Listening
to others.
Being an active listener.
listening and hearing what the kids and the parents say.
Listening without judgment.
Listen with a genuine intention to see the other person and see the other person's perspective.
Compassion for me is the awareness of the stress of others and the desire to relieve it.
Compassion is love.
the act and the experience of human love.
You share a little bit of your heart. Not a little bit, a lot of your heart.
Compassion to me means meeting people at a human level.
Compassion
is being
Respectful and courteous.
respectful,
Treating our families with respect.
Respecting everything that everyone brings to the table.
Treating every single patient as you would want your loved ones to be treated.
Compassion to me is my doctor starting off every visit asking how my daughter was, showing that she cared about me and my family and more than just my medical condition.
I see compassion in action every day here at the Children's Hospital. It's all the little things we do to make everyone's day a little bit better.
It's a lot of the little things that you don't think of that people struggle with the most.
Compassion is empathy.
Being empathetic.
Putting yourself
in someone else's shoes.
Feeling what the patient feels.
and all that surrounds their lives.
The situation that the families are in really affects everybody in the family, not just the patient.
Trying to understand the patient and family's perspective and experience.
And trying to support them at that moment of time.
Getting down into the hole with people and helping them dig out.
Take yourself out of your perspective and see how they feel from their perspective.
The compassion part of that is taking those feelings and your understanding and turning that into action and helping. So that's what compassion.
That's what compassion means to me.